Hello to all friends and fans of the pulp, paper, bioproducts and power industries. Welcome to our exciting Spectrum podcast, where today we'll be talking to ANDRITZ experts about one of the company's latest acquisitions, Diamond Power International, a specialist in boiler cleaning systems. I am Mark Rushton and I will be your host. ANDRITZ recently acquired Diamond Power International, which includes all its subsidiaries and manufacturing locations from US-based Babcock and Wilcox Enterprises. So, now part of ANDRITZ portfolio, Diamond Power boiler cleaning technologies and services are widely used across the pulp and paper, utility, biomass, waste-to-energy and industrial sectors around the globe. The strong Diamond Power portfolio of boiler cleaning systems and process optimization tools includes soot blowers, replacement parts and upgrades, boiler cleaning controls, cameras and monitoring, port rodders and dampers, gauges and level indicators. A comprehensive portfolio of products there. So today we are delighted to welcome Henrik Wikstedt, Senior Vice President, Division Manager, Recovery and Power Service at ANDRITZ, and Michael, President of Diamond Power International, which is now, of course, a member of the ANDRITZ Group. So, gentlemen, great to have you with us.
Thank you. Great to be here.
Yeah, hello, Mark.
So, first question to Michael. Can you please give us a brief summary of Diamond Power International and what products, services, and benefits the company brings to the pulp, paper, and power sectors?
Yeah, Mark, Diamond Power has been a manufacturer of machinery that helps increase heat transfer in fossil-fired boilers for over 100 years. And our products today really fit into just a few categories. They either improve the boiler efficiency, they extend boiler runtime, or they provide safeguards and alarms for potentially dangerous operating conditions that may arise with the boiler. And they also provide the operators with greater understanding about how the boiler is operating. So the benefits in general are just optimized operations, stressing the maximum output for the lowest cost and risk to the boiler operators and the boiler owners.
Okay, fantastic. And staying with you, Michael, can you tell us a bit more about the company, its locations, strategies for serving the pulp, paper, and power sectors? And maybe you could just give us a brief potted history of the company in its 100 years.
Yeah. Today, the two manufacturing locations that serve the globe are really here in the United States in the state of Ohio. We also have a factory in Dunbarton, Scotland. We have service facilities that are regionally located in Brazil, Finland, Sweden, Germany, and Thailand. And then we have licensees that serve other markets such as South Africa, China, Japan, Australia, and New Zealand. So we're very well distributed around the world where the products are located and where they're used. And the history is very interesting. The company was founded in 1903 in Detroit, Michigan, basically in the center of the industrialized movement in the United States to improve efficiencies of boilers. And one of our early customers was the Ford Motor Company and Henry Ford himself, who was looking to improve the boiler operations at the River Rouge plant. That product is really, as fossil fuels and particularly coal became accepted more and more as a fuel around the world, our products evolved and followed that trend around the world. And the motto of the company, or really the strength of the company, is solving customers' problems. So as the boilers got larger and the fuels varied, gave us more and more opportunities to solve problems on boilers and thus create new products. So today, all of our products are really came about by solving a problem or a challenge or even a regulatory requirement that a customer may have. So that's really the basis for the products today.
Excellent. So that's a great niche, really, that you've exploited within those industries.
Yes, very specialized company.
Excellent. Fantastic. Okay, question for Henrik. Can you tell us how this acquisition fits in with the ANDRITZ portfolio and its strategy for the future?
Sure. Regarding the portfolio and how it fits in, I would say that ANDRITZ has always had the ambition to be a full line supplier, meaning that we want to be able to offer everything from A to Z in the business areas we are in. And when acquiring a company, we always try to look at business that bring added value to us, that are complementing products or technologies or services. And we have been using Diamond Power as a sub-supplier previously when delivering our recovery and power boilers globally. So the business is definitely 100% complementary, and also makes us a full line suppliers on the service side for our recovery and power boilers. So I would say it fits these boxes rather well. Yeah, no, and then when it comes to the strategy, so for the future, I would say that we have three pillars in ANDRITZ we are focusing on, and one is decarbonization, and there Diamond Power fits also quite nicely in. With the Diamond Power products, we will be able to provide state-of-the-art cleaning equipment, as you say, for the customers' recovery and power boilers, and to be able to clean them with less energy consumption, we will be able to increase the efficiency of the boilers and, of course, the decarbonization as well. So completely in line with our strategy. Second pillar, digitalization. Also there, our customers, they are striving to automate as much as possible of the operation and as well optimize their operation. And here, Diamond Power also provides good solutions. And with the know-how from ANDRITZ, I'm convinced we can help our customers also with the digital products of Diamond. And third pillar, last but definitely not least, is customer service. We are focusing to be able to serve our customers throughout the life cycle of the products. And with Diamond Power in the ANDRITZ family, we are increasing our capabilities to do so, especially in some business areas and also geographical areas where we have not been so active before. So we will definitely have a possibility to be a full line supplier here. So I would say that Diamond Power ticks all the boxes quite nicely.
Excellent. Michael, any comments to make on what Henrik said there?
No, I quite agree. I mean, Diamond today has representatives in nearly 70 countries and office service centers and factories in another 15. So a very complete global coverage. I would like to add, though, that I think being close is more than just being physically close. I think having an understanding of the customer's operations, their goals, challenges, and ultimately just being thought of as an extension of the customer staff has really been our customer service goal, which has allowed us to be successful. And I think when we're coupled together with ANDRITZ's footprint globally together, we're everywhere and positioned to provide the highest level of customer support.
Clearly, it seems like an acquisition that fits like a glove.
I would say so.
So, Michael, can you tell us about Diamond Power International's approach to environmental concerns when it comes to energy efficiency?
Yeah, Diamond Power's products simply allow the user to derive more heat benefit for every unit of fuel consumed. So that means we have to mine less fuel, transport less fuel, and we have less emissions and generate more heat output from every unit of fuel that's put through the boiler process. So that's probably the primary way by which we contribute to environmental efficiencies and improvements.
Okay, excellent. And can you tell us a little bit more about biofuels usage within your products?
Yeah, so our products are often used in waste to energy as well as refuge plants. It really in the same function, and that is to clean the heat transfer surfaces to allow more heat to be absorbed. And also by controlling the combustion, you're able to control some of the chemical constituents that are in the gas that's produced from the combustion of those products.
Excellent, thank you. Henrik, any comments to make on environmental issues with cleaning boilers?
Well, as Michael said, and as we discussed previously as well, so improving the efficiency of the boiler is one way to be able to produce more electricity from a smaller amount of fuel. and hence producing less emissions as well. And this is definitely aligned with the ANDRITZ targets, and I guess all of our targets to reduce the emissions in the world globally. So fits very well there.
Excellent, great answers. Thank you very much, gentlemen. Now a question to both guests. Can you tell us about the trends when it comes to boilers across the industries that you're operating? Michael, would you like to answer that?
Yeah, I think the trend is much like in many other industries. The boilers are larger. They operate with essentially more constraints, whether they be environmental or physical. The materials utilized today are more exotic, expensive, difficult to work with and take care of. Also, everything is more valuable, whether it's the fuel that's being used, the chemicals that are being recovered, or even the steam that's generated from the process. It has a greater value today than it would have had in the past. So therefore, being able to utilize and maximize all of these processes and inputs and outputs and side streams is really very important to the owner. And those either all represent minimized cost or maximized revenues, which are very important to the customer.
Excellent. Henrik, trends, any comments?
No, I think Michael summarized it quite well, how the market looks like when it comes to boilers and around that. So not too much to add there, actually.
Okay, brilliant. So, Henrik, I'm going to stay with you. Can you tell us what the immediate benefits of the acquisition of Diamond Power International will bring to ANDRITZ customers?
Well, I would say that ANDRITZ has a large experience, first of all, of operating the equipment that Diamond Power is producing, but as well also quite big experience of the competitors' equipment and the competitors of Diamond Power, I mean. And due to this, I believe that we also know the pros and cons rather well of the various equipment. And by taking this know-how and further develop the Diamond Power products together with the Diamond Power team, we for sure will be able to offer a superior product both in quality and performance for our customers in the future. This again will for sure enhance the cleaning efficiency, enhance the efficiency of the operation as well, and will reduce the maintenance cost as well via more durable products, to mention a few.
Brilliant. Michael, it must be exciting times for you, I can imagine. So what do you think that you're going to bring to the ANDRITZ party, shall we say?
Well, I think we help ANDRITZ meet the challenge of the future, right? The future chemical recovery boilers and the future high demands of power boilers, both for runtime and for efficiency. Diamond's also very excited to get with the technical people at ANDRITZ to understand more about their model designs on their boilers in order to increase both the functionality and the understanding of our controls. All of these devices or these systems at the center have an elaborate control system. And this is probably one of the trends, right? It's like anything else in your life, whether it's automation of your home on your phone or plant automation or predictive features. That we're looking at using the insights that ANDRITZ people have to improving our systems controls and applying those to boilers to also increase, predictive things, but also increase our runtime. Another subdivision of that is really vision and camera systems. Diamond has pioneered industrial cameras and cameras and power systems since the late 1940s. And today, even, this is a very interested area of our markets by customers in all segments of industry. And I think working together with ANDRITZ, we will be able to greatly improve our vision and camera systems and also allow ANDRITZ to use some of these systems on other group products from ANDRITZ, whether it be metals or power or environmental. So we're looking forward to that as well. And then also just working with ANDRITZ to provide a comprehensive maintenance offering and technical support to all customers.
Excellent. Any work you're doing on robotics, or do you already have robotics within your cleaning systems?
Well, ANDRITZ has robotics, so I'll let Henrik take that question. In the true sense of robotics, Diamond doesn't have a robotic product today. We have quasi-intelligent products for sure, and we also have products that use extensive feedback mechanisms to predict future use and also future effect of operation of the devices.
Excellent, thank you. Henrik, can you see any room for robotics going on in cleaning boilers in the future?
Yeah, for sure. We already have a robotic system for our smelt out cleaning on the recovery boilers that we are, especially in the US, being quite successful with entering the market with. And that is definitely a product that we will see more of globally as well. It reduces the time the operators of our customers need to spend on the smelt deck, and hence increases the safety significantly. So in addition to improving performance, you definitely increase the safety of the employees, and hence we really believe that this is something that will be in the future in all recovery boilers. So for sure.
Excellent. Looks like we have a great future ahead and an excellent space to watch as well. So thank you very much, gentlemen, for a very informative discussion. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mark.
So clearly, ANDRITZ now offers a lot more choice when it comes to boiler maintenance and service with the acquisition of Diamond Power International. Customers will benefit from the expanded product service range, the global reach and access to ANDRITZ's worldwide service network, financial stability and lifecycle support for efficient and reliable boiler performance. For more information about the acquisition of the Diamond Power International and ANDRITZ's increased maintenance and services for all types of boilers, please see the show notes of this episode. Thank you very much to all our valued listeners, and goodbye.